guys, welcome to my channel. It's BBarbie365 and today I'm going to show you guys how I got this beautiful blonde patch on the left side of my hair. So yes, I will be using 40 Volume Clear, the developer, and Blonde Brilliance Express number 9. So as you can see that color, it's starting to come through. I'm just continue to brushing the bleach on there so it can process faster. I like to go in and moisturize it with my hand as well, moisturize the bleach in the hair to, you know, make the process faster. The color came out bomb. It's so pretty. And there it is. It's so pretty. I didn't use any toning shampoos or anything. I just washed it out with my silicone shampoo and the silicone conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and it came out softer than ever. Very pretty. The hair did not shed, which is surprisingly because I just processed it, but Allove really has some good hair. And by the way, if you guys haven't checked out my install on this same hair, this is the Allove lace front T-part wig. Make sure you check out that video. So I'm doing a glueless install. I'm only going to be wearing this a little bit, not that long. So when I do my glueless installs, I do not use the same products. I always use different products. That's what you're going to see on my channel. But for this glueless install, I'm going to be using the olive oil ORS gel and the hairspray as well. You know what Eric and Tay be using. So I go in and press the hair down or the lace down with, you know, my 2 fingers to hold it in place to get the lace used to being stuck in that position, if that makes sense. And then I go in and spray it with a cool setting for, you know, not that long, for a few seconds, and then I switch to hot heating and not hot heating, but you know, the heat set to, you know, make it even more, you know, to make sure it sticks even more. So I'll go in with cool again, cool setting, and then heat.
on the track, so you know it's lit.
Fly, bubble boy. Fly, bubble boy.
So when you use a heat setting, it gets, and then when you spray, okay, so when you spray your lace with like a freeze spray or holding spray, it gets hard. So I'm just wiping it off, making sure that, hard residue is off the hair. So I just wipe it down with alcohol or some of that makeup remover. So that clip, I don't know what happened to it, but before this, I sprayed some of the Wig Dealer's melting spray on top of the lace so it can melt even more. And then I put her lace wrap or hair wrap on top and get to melt it. Yes, it's very soft, this hair wrap. She also has a elastic band. I'll put her information at her links in the description box below. So yeah. So what I'm using now, I haven't been using the wax stick in a while because I've been on this. This is a YouTuber's product, Wake, Pray, and Slay. This is her pressing oil. I have it in a little tube, and I also have the spray, and it's amazing. It's silk pressing. What is it? Silk pressing oil, and oh my god, it smells so bomb. It's soft, it's not greasy, it's not oily, and I'll leave her information in the box below too, in the description box below. You have to get this. She's a YouTuber and she makes curling irons, wigs. I mean, this product, she did that. It's amazing. As you guys can see, like, her pressing oil is bomb. She did that. She really did. So I'm just getting ready, pressing down the hair so it can get further melted. And then I'm going to be throwing some wand curls in my hair for the final look. So I got this wand curler from Target. It was $50. It's bomb. I've seen quite a few YouTubers use this as well. So I decided to get me one. And I already know I am not a curl guy good or at all. That's something that I have to master. I don't know, I just never learned how to properly curl. So yeah, I'm gonna have to watch some tutorials on learning how to curl. And you guys are gonna be seeing that on my channel. Like, I always end up going the wrong way. But it came out, it came out good. It curled. So it curled. But yeah, I know I have to, watch some tutorials on learning how to curl. I'm definitely going to be doing voiceovers more often. This is fun. And I know you guys probably want to get to know me and, instead of hearing music the whole time, I'm going to be doing more voiceovers more often. So to complete the look and to hold it all in place, I'm using Erica J's Hold Me Down spray, and this girl is, amazing. All her products smell bomb. This one smells like cologne, and I will leave this in the description box below. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you check out my Instagram at Barbie Boutique 818. Love you guys. Stay blessed. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.